No. Alright. You ready, Steve?
Mm-hmm.
We've been waiting many years for this. Many years.
You thug. No, kidding.
Dog, many years. Oh, I'm cutting myself. You get it? Because my name's right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. This was worth the $80, Jack.
You mean you spent 80 bucks?
Yeah.
I spent 40
No.
bucks. Get rid of the stickers. Garbage. Now we gotta find this papers.
I just ripped it off you. That works.
Probably put this way, huh, so I don't cut myself.
Yeah, that'd be smart.
Making all the kids nervous. Where is it? How do I set it up?
Boom. Look at that. Look at that.
Is big.
Figure of the year.
Figure of the year. Right.
This is true.
Now I gotta open it. Should we do the like unbox therapy, or should we do like Casey Neistat?
How does he do it?
So unbox therapy, they care about how they open packages.
Mm-hmm.
Casey
Oh, he
Neistat,
just rips it up.
completely
No. Unbox therapy. Unbox therapy.
Unbox therapy.
See, if this was anything else, Jack, 100% Casey Neistat.
Casey Neistat.
But this is dunk. Look at the look at the box. You can't throw it in the box.
Yeah, you can't get rid of this box. Alright.
I used my thumbnail.
How do I?
Well, you just use your thumbnail and like push it here. It's like like that, and pull it out.
Pull this up?
Yep, like that. That's kind of like a lip. My bad. The camera angle was kind of goofed.
Hey, no, it's okay. We're not professionals.
Oh no! Ah! It
I
worked.
got it.
Shh. Yeah, the box didn't even get moved. I didn't even see that.
Slightly. Alright.
Now the big reveal.
Who's the dude drum roll?
He's doing it. Oh!
It's on TV.
It's my ball. Oh, it's not there anymore.
Godzilla was on TV, and now we just.
And then you just pop it open.
We got his dog.
Oh!
Who's in bed with him?
Now we gotta sit him right in the middle.
Boom,
Now
thumbnail.
we just do panoramas.
Wow.
Messed up this.
I forgot your camera has like stable thing.
Now you gotta do. You gotta like zoom in really close on him.
Zoom in
Like,
really close.
Zoom in.
Oh yeah, there's zoom in thing.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
The big donkeys.
Look at him. Yes, this camera's nice.
You happy now?
And then you just slow zoom out.
Can you say thank you? Come on, say
I had
it.
to stop.
Say thank you.
Oh. Now that was high production value. All right, Jack, what do you think of it?
It's
Ultra wide.
It's a donkey.
It's a donkey. All right, good video. Good video.
That's it. GG.